Okay, well, this is the poster project of the circuit board poster project, and over here we have 5 appliances, and they're each given a different amount of power. This one is 100 watts. This one's 1500 watts. That one's 500 watts. That's 200, and this one we are only given the resistance, which we need to find how much power it has. So the first thing we should do is we should find the current, which is current is equal to power over voltage. So basically what we do is we get all the amount of power from each appliance, like this one would be 1500, and we divide it over the amount of voltage, which every single appliance would have the same amount of voltage, which is 120. So for example, the first one would be 1500 watts over 120 volts, which gets you the current is measured in amps, so it should be 12.5 amps. And you repeat that for every single one. And once you do that, you find the amount of current through each of the separate paths, since it's a parallel circuit. When you do that, So once you find that, you basically would add up the current everywhere, and as it met with another path, you would add on that amount of current to the one that was originally traveling that way, and you just keep going and going until you're done throughout the whole circuit. And so the next thing we did is we added up all the power in all the appliances, which down here it shows 240 plus 100 plus 500 plus 200 plus 1500 watts, which gives you a total of 2540. So you want to convert this to kilowatt hour. Yes, so what you basically do is you divide it by 1,000. Once you do that, you get 2.54. You get 2.54, and then you multiply it by 720 hours. Yeah.
But Miss Joanna, how come it's 720 hours?
Because we're trying to find out how much they charge you per month, and you multiply 30 days by 24 hours, and you get 724 hours for each month. And so once you get that, you get 1829 kilowatts hour, and you divide that by 7 cents, because that's the average rate of how much they charge you. And once you get that, you get a total of $128.03 every month, and that's it.